Wheels and Wings brings you in-depth reviews, specs, and features of the BMW 3 Series, giving you a complete look at what makes this luxury sports sedan stand out. Known for its perfect balance of performance, comfort, and cutting-edge technology, the BMW 3 Series continues to be a benchmark in its segment. Whether you are interested in the latest generation or a previous model, this review covers everything you need to know before making a decision. The BMW 3 Series has always been a driver's car, offering an engaging ride with precise handling and powerful engine options. From turbocharged 4-cylinder engines to inline-6 powertrains, the 3 Series delivers an exhilarating driving experience. The latest models feature BMW's advanced technology, including an intuitive infotainment system, digital instrument cluster, and a host of driver assistance features for added safety and convenience. The interior is crafted with premium materials, providing a luxurious yet sporty feel, ensuring both the driver and passengers enjoy a comfortable ride. When it comes to design, the 3 Series showcases BMW's signature kidney grille, sharp LED headlights, and an aerodynamic body that enhances both aesthetics and performance. The M Sport package adds an extra layer of aggression with sportier bumpers, larger wheels, and an overall more dynamic stance. Inside, the cabin is designed with a driver-centric approach, featuring a high-resolution touchscreen, ergonomic controls, and a premium sound system for an immersive driving experience. The BMW 3 Series is not just about performance, it also excels in practicality and efficiency. With spacious seating, ample cargo space, and efficient engine options, it serves as a perfect daily driver without compromising on excitement. The hybrid variants offer an eco-friendly alternative with impressive fuel efficiency while maintaining the signature BMW driving dynamics. Advanced safety features such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking ensure a secure ride, making it a well-rounded package for enthusiasts and families alike. For those who love customization, BMW offers various trims and optional packages to enhance performance, luxury, or technology based on individual preferences. Whether it is the base 330i, the powerful M340i, or the high-performance M3, there is a 3 Series model for every driving enthusiast. The combination of precise engineering, cutting-edge technology, and a refined interior makes the BMW 3 Series one of the best options in its class. If you are passionate about cars and want to stay updated with the latest reviews, features, and comparisons, make sure to subscribe to Wheels and Wings. Stay tuned for more exciting content on your favorite cars.